Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Travis Dykes. Today we're going to be working on this groove and bass lick combo that I really have been jamming on. When I came up with it, I don't know how long I was jamming on it. But guys, this is an awesome and fun lick and groove. So why don't you grab your bass and we'll get started. Alright, so we're going to be in the key of B Mixolydian. So all that means is it's going to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, flat 7, and back to a 1. If you don't already know your Mixolydian mode, feel free to check out my video. I'll drop a link somewhere in the video of where you can just find that easy. But anyways, we're going to do, but the only difference is instead of doing it in just like root position, we're going to do it over here. So we're going to do it like this. And we're going to subtract a couple of notes. Instead of playing that 4, we're not going to play that 4 or the 4. So the way this groove is going to go is I'm going to put a ghost note before each one. But before we do that, just get the notes. So it's going to be a 1. If you know your numbers, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, flat 7, 6, 5, and that's the groove. So, and what I do is to make it have that rhythmic sound is I put a ghost note in front of it, so it'd be like boom, boom, all right, so kind of medium speed would be like, that's a, all right, so we got boom, 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 so boom, 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 1. And so there's like a little between those two different strings. There's like a little pause right there. So boom, 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 boom. And you can actually put two to fill that space. You can put 2 ghost notes right there. Sometimes I do it. Boom, 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 boom. Except boom, 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 boom. All right, and then it goes that plus 7, and then it goes 5, 6 at the end. So boom, boom, boom. All right, and that is the groove. Yo, if you could go and hit that like button right now, it really helps broaden the reach of this video and helps get these videos into the hands of many musicians and bass players that want this content. So yeah, go and do that and we'll get back to the lesson. And so now the next part is going to be this lick. This lick is a lot of fun. It's going to be based off the flat 7, major 7. So major 7 chord. So this is our flat 7. But basically all I'm doing is going to play a. That's a major 7 for A major 7. But it's starting with the 7. So it'd be like 7, 1, 3, 5. you can think about it like that for theoretically, if anybody who wants to know that. And so yeah, so that's going to be the first part. This is going to be, this is going to be for the key of B. This would be a 6 flat 7, 6 flat 7. So that's a 2, and that is a 4. So you get that sound. So boo. So that's the first part. In the next part, you're going to transition to the pentatonics a bit. So the so just go down a half step to that 3. And then this right here, it's just a 1, 2, flat 7, 6. So all right, the next part. And this is kind of going to the blues scale. So we went to the pentatonic. So now we went from the major 7 flat 7, major 7 arpeggio to the pentatonic, then to the blues. And all this is going to be, so we go, start from the 5 flat, 4, 3. Alright, so flat 3, and then major 3, that 3. So we got I like to hammer on right there. And that's just going to be 1 flat 7 1 at the end. And I use my ring finger to get that. So we got all together slow. Do it even slower. So all together. Okay. All right. And that is literally the whole thing. All right. I did a little ending part. I was debating if I should teach that or not. If you guys want me to teach that little, like, let me know and I will do a special video just for that lick. But anyways, hopefully you guys were able to understand all of that. Feel free to take it slow, pause the video, replay the video, whatever you have to do to get it. And if you have any questions, you can hit me up at my Instagram at @tdykes, or you can leave a comment below. Instagram's the best way to reach me because it goes straight to my cell phone, and I know. And so, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to like this video. If you like this video, it really, really helps get these free videos and helpful videos to other musicians that need the help, and on YouTube. And yeah, it just really helps with that. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time.